Hello everyone. Now from today we are going to start with the very first chapter of chemistry, class 10th, that is chemical reactions and equations. So in this chapter, first of all, we will discuss what is the content of the chapter. So very firstly, we will discuss what is a chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? So we will discuss the definition of chemical reaction. Then second important point to be discussed will be the characteristics of a chemical reaction. Then we will discuss what is the difference between a chemical reaction and chemical equation. Chemical equation. So all these 3 points can be studied under the major heading introduction. Then after introduction, which will involve these 3 topics, we will talk about balancing of a chemical reaction. Balancing of a chemical reaction. Then we will talk about the most important part of this chapter, that is types of chemical reaction. This is the major important or the most important topic of this chapter. Under the heading types of chemical reactions, we will study that there are main 5 types of reactions. The first is called as combination reaction. Combination reactions. Then second type of reaction is just opposite of combination, that is decomposition reactions. So under decomposition reactions we will find 3 types of reactions. That is, the first is called as thermal decomposition, second is called as electrolytic, and the last is photolytic. You can reverse the order, that is not going to make any change on this. Then third, an important type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Then the fourth type of reaction is double displacement reaction. And then the last type of reaction is called as oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reactions. So if you combine the word red from reduction and ox from oxidation, then these reactions are also called as redox reactions. Fine. Now you have to note down one more thing, that under double displacement reaction we will study one very important type of reactions, and that are called as precipitation reactions. Reactions which give precipitate. So this precipitation reaction will be studied under double displacement reaction. So in total major 5 types, but decomposition reactions are of further 3 types, and under double decomposition we will study the precipitation reactions, which are actually very much important.